some type of resistance or support at this area. Okay, so I'm pretty comfortable with the two trades that I'm in. If I were to take a long position right now, here I'll be risking about 26 pips. That's pretty much giving back the $100 profit that I've secured on the first position. So I'm just gonna hold on this position and we'll see how it's going. So I'm up plus 45 on one and plus 22 on the other. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause this, and I'll come back around 9:45 to see if the market went in our favor. And as far as take profits, I have both trades pretty much at the same area, where I'm looking at about 211 pips each. So that would net me a total of 400 plus pips. Okay, so let's see if this thing goes in our favor. I mean, that would be really good, because then, you know, that would be a nice profit, bringing me closer to my FTMO goals. Okay, so I will be back shortly. What's up, gang? I'm back. So it's currently 9:39 a.m. As I stated earlier, around this time frame the market typically move. So currently on my two positions, I am up 88 pips on one, and then on the other one I'm up 108 pips. So I'm just gonna move my stop loss just a tiny bit, just to lock in a little bit more profit, just in case the market come back. At least I could say, you know what, I was able to secure something. So the market from where I initially entered shot up about 143 pips, and from my second entry, which is down here, that's 120 pips. So in total I would have had about 260 pips versus what I currently have. You know, so I'm waiting to see if my TP will get hit. You know, we have 20 more minutes into this candle, anything can happen. And you know, sometimes when we do get these big push-ups, the market typically reverse just as fast. This was actually a missed entry here, where I could have added a second position, but I wasn't sure what direction the market was going to move in, because sometimes it will drop only to go higher. As you see, I did put the fibs from this low, this main big candle here. This was the candle in focus, so I did put the fibs on that candle, and as you can see, the market did pull back and hit the 50%. So let me stretch this out a little bit so you can see better. So you see right there, market came back, hit the 50%. Had I taken that trade, we would have been I would have been in a little bit more profit. But nonetheless, I'm gonna, you know, see how long I can hold this positions. Hopefully we can get that TP hit without the market pulling back and taking us out. Okay, so we're up about $845, and that's on the account. I'm at 50,400 plus or 500 plus. It's fluctuating. I did take a loss last week. Didn't get to record that trade, but I'll try my best to definitely record every single win as well as every single loss. You know, I'm not showing you some trade on TradingView saying I took this on my MT4 and you never actually saw my MT4. This is the only platform that you're gonna ever see for right now, unless I get I actually do have a live on the account, which I think I have like $4 in that account, but it's live, and if I do decide to trade it, I actually trade it on TradingView, because I don't have the setup for MT4 with the one, just the TradingView. I log into the website, log in, so at that time you can actually see the live trades on the TradingView platform. So again, I'm just going to go ahead and let this trade run. I'm up 119 and plus 95, so we're looking at close to 200 pips that I'm up since I entered into this trade. So let's go ahead and let that run and see if we can get that TP hit, or possibly maybe we can get the market to push up a whole lot higher, and maybe this will be the trade that, you know, have me pass the competition, or will not the competition, but the challenge. Actually, I'm just gonna go ahead and move this up a little bit more, just in case. Okay, so we have, okay, so this is my negative 1.618 that I've added. So again, I'm just gonna pause the video and I will come back. Hey gang, just a quick update. So I entered on a third position, which also is going pretty good. So right now I'm up 149 pips on one, 125 on the other, and the last trade 50 pips. So what I'm gonna do is move all of my stops to the last position that I entered on, just to secure some pips. Okay, all right, so market moving up nicely. So right now we're up $1,600. So let's see if we can get this to continue. Okay, all right, so on that one, let's take a look at the trade entry. So we're gonna take this bullish candle, which is right here, which is the institutional candle. Institution is buying right there. I'm gonna take my fibs from top to bottom. Okay. Yes. And you can see that the market rejected at close to the 60%. So I went ahead and took a long position. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause this video and let's see what we could get out of this one. Okay guys, just a quick update. So I ended up actually closing out this trade early, but as you can see here from earlier, TP would have been smashed. But I was on the road with my wife and I was just monitoring the trade and monitoring the trade. Something that you should never really do. You should have confidence in your position, knowing that, you know, one, I was already at break even, so I wasn't losing anything. But for some reason I just kept watching the trade and watching the trade, and I closed it out. I think I closed it out somewhere around this level. I'm not exactly sure. I was just on my phone. But you know, a lot of regrets, but no FOMO. But I think overall that was a good trade that I made. Let's see. Yeah, so the three positions, okay, we had 911, 794, and 414 on those positions that I ended up closing out. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, so you can see me pass this FTMO challenge, and you know, maybe one day I could help you pass your FTMO challenge. Okay, like again, comment, and share the channel with your friends. Thank you.